Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Target Plus affiliate links for US shoppers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Target Plus affiliate links for US shoppers, start by logging into your Target Plus affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your affiliate tools. Locate the link generation tool, which is typically found in the marketing or tools section. Select the specific target products you want to promote. Use the search bar to find products by entering keywords or product names. Once you find your chosen product, click on it to reveal the affiliate link options. Generate your unique affiliate link by clicking the Get Link or similar button. Copy this generated link to your clipboard. Next, you will want to test the link to ensure it directs to the correct target product page. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar to view the product page. Check that the link is functioning correctly and displays the correct item. After confirming the link works, proceed to your content platform where you plan to promote the links. This can be a blog, website, or social media channel. Insert the affiliate link within relevant content, making it natural and enticing for users to click. Consider using call to action phrases to encourage clicks, such as check out this must-have item at Target. You may also want to track your link. This will help you understand what products resonate most with your audience. Finally, ensure compliance with Target's affiliate guidelines regarding disclosures. This ensures that you maintain transparency with your audience regarding the use of affiliate links. Once everything is set, you can publish your content and start sharing your affiliate links with your audience. Monitor your clicks and conversions regularly to optimize your strategies over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.